Hello everyone! Pierre here, Piotr Wisner. Guys, okay, let's stop craziness here. So, in today's episode, I will want to just tell you about the TV. I won't, like do a miracle, but I want to show you one thing. So I will try to shut this video below 10 minutes, okay? It won't be long. Backlight should be white, keep it in mind, okay? So those LEDs here, we should see white. I think we can agree that these LEDs are not white. Yes? They are blue. Now I can tell you what I found. One, I don't know of a single backlight where blue would be normal. Okay? I don't know. So for me, LEDs are faulty. Second thing I found, that there's no picture on the display whatsoever. So I've opened it and I've checked, is there a problem? Yes, so I've checked on the driver board. We don't have, those are the driver boards which comes from the display. Yes, I've showed on the previous video. Just watch previous video the same day or before day about the TV. And I found that the voltage doesn't come in, okay? So I've checked on the T-Con board. I'll show you. So larger TVs, if got T-Con separately like here, yes, will have a fuse here, and here you can see 12 volts on the bigger ones, and on the small screens you'll have like 5 volts, let's say, yes? And most of the time you'll see 12 volts. If the T-Con is integrated elsewhere, in the TV, then of course you need to look over there. But what I want to say is, now there are two IECs here. One is here, okay, and second is here. It's a RT Romeo Tango 6929 and second is 6930, okay? Now I've checked, 6929 has 12 volts, yes, coming in, and you can see even where the voltage are coming in if you work with them, So I've checked, it received 12 volts, okay, so it's going through via and goes to a place where there is a capacitor and so on, doesn't matter, just comes in 12 volts to this chip. But we don't have any voltage, yes? So in that case, if you don't have any voltage, if you disconnect them, so if you disconnect the display and you leave only the incoming 12 volts from this plus signal, and you still don't have it, yes, then this is faulty, and either you'll replace those chips, yes, under the scope, or you will just have to replace this T-Con. If you're lucky, you'll get this T-Con cheap. If you're unlucky, you won't get it, and you need to find those chips, like on AliExpress or eBay. You can get them on eBay, actually, these chips, and just few quid, 5 to 10 quid, so it's not dear. So I've said to the customer that either we will get another T-Con and we need to fix the backlight. We can put used backlight from over there, or he can provide a backlight, doesn't matter. If we can do those two things, we can fix this TV. Hopefully everything is clear. If you don't understand, I get it. You need to understand how TVs are working. Plus it's at 230 volts. You don't want to get electrocuted, yes? So don't do things which you can regret later. But okay, well, how long? We've got 4 minutes, yes? So what else I can tell you? If you don't know TVs, it's worth to learn signals. Yes, what are the signals at the display? LCD and LED signals. Because there are certain signals which I've said about in the previous video, that's why I won't be repeating myself here, But if you want to ever start working with TVs, please learn them, because if you won't learn them, those jobs which are easy for me or for somebody else might be difficult for you and you might get confused. Yes, so that's what I can say. Yeah, I need to put this one back together. I've got a Hitachi here. You don't see the Hitachi, but I can show you Hitachi here. And I'm tempted to see what's inside, but I think this one is a newer one. I'll pause and I'll check the model just to tell you before disconnecting, because we've got only 5 minutes, yes, so you can know. Okay, so my Hitachi, not customers, is 55HK. I think, yeah, HK, and then it's a 6100. So it's a really similar model, because this one is 55HK6T64U. So it's quite similar. So I will be looking inside that TV to maybe get some parts, you know, maybe T-Con over there is integrated, you know, on the main board or in the driver board, and maybe I won't be so lucky, yes, but if I would be lucky, then there is a similar problem to be true. I've got a backlight, yes, I see gray screen, so that means signals are missing, and you know, probably will be similar fault. That's why, you know, probably I won't fix it. So I need to look into that one as well, because if the same signals are missing, you know, I need to order something online. So probably the next TV I'll be doing it will be that one. But I want to put this one back together because it's 9:21 p.m. and so I wanna, you know, I wanna just finish it off, and then we will decide if I will do another Hitachi, my one, because that's the last TV from the customer, and I don't have more TVs from the customer. I've done 2 today, analyze what's wrong, and I need to just order parts, or customer need to order parts, and then we can fix them. Or if customer will decide no, we won't fix them, then we will see. I like to build some Frankenstein, you know. I haven't built some Frankenstein for a long time. In the old times, you were literally cutting stuff and making from 2-1, but nowadays you've got only modules, which you use modules for, and you don't cut PCB. And I would love to do something like that, so that you will look into older times how we were fixing things. But for now, let's focus on getting rid of those TVs, finding issues in them, you know, fixing as many as I can, and rest putting to parts, yes, plastic to plastic, and so on. I bought a gift for my wife. Oh, I've got 1 minute to finish the video. I bought a gift to my wife. It's a resin printer, and probably I will be using it for some parts to build when I'm unable to get these parts online, yes, for some customer, for some vintage repairs, or not even vintage. But at the moment I'm not convinced that I should learn 3D model designing, because she had it at school, she was capable of doing so. I've never done it, yes, and I've got so much going on that I've got no time to do it. But for today episode, that's everything, guys. If possible, thank you if you clicked like or subscribe, or you will, because that's really appreciated. 81 people, subscribers, that's making my smile. And thank you for watching. If possible, let's fix them all, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.